And good Saturday evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us on CNYcentral. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Mike Brookins. And we do have a weather alert to pass along. We're not in full weather alert mode because this is just an advisory. It's not for Onondaga County, and it doesn't go into effect until Sunday. But we want to let you know about it. There are going to be some strong gusty winds developing Sunday. I think in the afternoon where we'll see them peak, especially at higher elevations and near Lake Ontario shoreline. Winds there easily 50 to 55 mile per hour gusts, maybe as high as 60 miles per hour. No warnings, just advisories. But even in these other areas, I think especially the higher elevations, we'll have to watch out for some gusty winds in the afternoon. Wind advisory for Wayne County officially, northern Cayuga, Oswego, and Jefferson County. High temperature on this Saturday, well, we made it into the upper 40s at 48 here in Syracuse, 45 in Watertown. We saw the temperatures actually the warmest late in the day after a warm front got a little closer to us and shifted the winds around to the south and southeast. Now, that warm front didn't make it all the way up towards Saranac Lake. They were only at 36. But even at 47, still below average. It was better than Friday's 40, though. We were 4 degrees below our normal high of 51, 36 the low last night. And tonight, we should be close to 40, so above average. Only 1/100 of an inch of rain, so very little rainfall and a trace of snow being reported. Monthly total and seasonal total, 0.2 inches, and that's about 1.6 inches below average to date. Here's what we can expect for tonight. A few rain showers will be passing through. They'll be isolated to scattered, more numerous north, less to the south. Temperatures not as cold as we mentioned, close to 40. It becomes very windy for tomorrow and still breezy on Monday on Veterans Day. Another cold front comes through, and that's going to usher in some pretty chilly air as we head toward the midweek period, towards Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday, and Wednesday night. So here's the satellite radar, and you can see the precipitation that's breaking out around central New York. Some of this may not be reaching the ground, but what I want to show you is that there's more upstream that's going to be coming through. And if you look at this pattern, it looks like, yeah, east of Lake Ontario, we're going to find more, maybe not as much when you get further down to the south. Not to say you won't get your showers as well, just a little less when you get down towards Schuyler County, southern Shenango, southern Otsego counties. More numerous showers up to the north, and I have to point this out as well. The Tug Hill and the Adirondacks, up in elevation, you're going to find some wet snow showers mixing in. Little accumulation, though, is expected. So scattered showers at 2 o'clock in the morning, possibly continuing into the late night hours, and then they should start to taper down to become isolated for the morning. Winds shift around to the west and really start to pick up as soon as the sun comes up. So hold on to the steering wheel, especially during the afternoon. We'll develop some lake effect east of Lake Ontario, rain showers primarily. And then as we go into the afternoon, that westerly wind becomes more west-northwest, and that's going to drop it in closer to Syracuse. As we get into Sunday evening, it gets cold enough that this starts to change over and mix with some wet snow. Eventually, I do think that we could see a minor amount of accumulation, especially at the higher elevations Sunday night before this tapers off late Sunday night. 49 are high on Sunday. Monday, also decent temperatures, and then the cold comes crashing in Tuesday. So overnight, only down to 40 degrees. That's better than last night. Winds turn a little bit brisk, up to 10 to 20 miles per hour. And through the overnight, a chance for a few rain showers, maybe over the higher elevations to the north, northeast, and wet snow showers mixing in. Isolated showers in the morning. It'll be windy. Strongest winds in the afternoon, 20 to 35 with gusts to 50 or 55, especially higher elevations and near Lake Ontario. Rain showers east of the lake will be moving into central New York during the afternoon. Going into Monday evening, it changes over to snow showers and flurries. Going into Tuesday, look at that temperature drop after 48 on Monday, 35 on Tuesday with lake effect snow showers and flurries.